students. गुड मॉर्निंग. होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टॉपिक लाइट रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन. उससे पहले हम थोड़ी बात करेंगे रिफ्लेक्शन क्या होता है. रिफ्लेक्शन होता है बाउंसिंग बैक ऑफ अ रे ऑफ लाइट आफ्टर स्ट्राइकिंग ऑन अ स्मूथ सरफेस, एंड दिस फॉलोज टू लॉज. Number 1 law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and second law is incident ray, reflected ray and normal lies on the same plane. And there are some properties of light which we will discuss with the questions. And the second phenomena that will be discussed in this PDF is refraction. Refraction means bending of ray of light when it changes its medium. So now we will discuss our question number 1, which says light travel in a straight line because of it is a transverse wave. Light is transverse in nature, that's why it travel in straight line, and this property of light to travel in a straight line is called rectilinear property of light. Our next question is the phenomena of bouncing back of light rays from a smooth surface is called reflection. Option number B. Our next question is question number 3. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection according to laws of reflection. Option number D. Whereas if it is said in the question that the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction, that will be our Snell's law. Option number B for the second question that is discussed. So answer of question number 3 is option number D. Our next question is the image formed by a plane mirror is. Plane mirror always form an erect image and also virtual, that is that is not actually formed by the intersection meeting of rays of light. So answer of question number 4 is virtual and erect. Our next question number 5 is the angle between incident ray and the normal is called the angle of incidence. And moving on to next question, the angle between reflected ray and the normal is called the angle of reflection. Our next question is the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another is called refraction. Our next question is the speed of light is maximum in. Speed of light is maximum is in vacuum, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and in air it reduces as we are moving to a medium of high refractive index value, then speed will decrease. And next question is the refractive index of a medium is defined as the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Our next question is the refractive index of a medium depends upon. So answer of ninth above question will be option number A. And moving on to next question, the refractive index of a medium depends upon, that it will depend upon also temperature and the frequency of light, wavelength of light, and so all the three options are correct. There is a thing that is refractive index is different to different color of light. If we place a glass slab and we will pass a green light through it, then green light will be observe its value, some other value. If we change green light with red light, then red light will observe some other refractive index value. So refractive index value depends upon the color of light which is falling on it, and by color we mean the frequency and wavelength of light. Also with temperature free refractive index changes. So option number D is the correct answer. Our next question, refractive index of a medium is always greater than 1 and refractive index of vacuum is equal to 1. Refractive index can never be 0 or less than 1. So answer of 11th question is B, that is greater than 1. Our next question is the bending of light when it passes from air to water is an example of, as the light is changing its medium, so it will be an example of refraction. Option number B is the correct answer. In the next question, the phenomena responsible for the splitting of white light into its constituent color is called dispersion. So the correct answer will be option number D. And our next question is the colors of rainbow are due to the colors are due to, there is some as we study in the rainbow formation of class 10th, it is simply written that light initially enters the raindrop, that is refraction occurs there, and after then it reflect internally in the drop, refraction is also there, and when it comes out through the raindrop, phenomena called dispersion occur, as the raindrop work here as a prism. So dispersion is also occurring there, but note the diffraction. So the question must be like which one of the four is wrong about the rainbow formation. So all the three are occurring. So D is not the C. Option number C, diffraction of light around raindrop is not occurring during raindrop, but all the three are done. But in this question we are asked about the color of rainbow. So colors will arise due to the dispersion of light by the raindrop. So here the correct answer will be option number D. Moving on to our next question, the angle of deviation of light passing through a glass prism depends upon, angle of deviation डिपेंड किस किस फैक्टर के ऊपर करेगा? सबसे पहले डिपेंड करता है एंगल ऑफ प्रिज्म के ऊपर, जो कि एंगल ऑफ प्रिज्म सम होता है एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शंस, एंड एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस के ऊपर भी डिपेंड करेगा. सो ऑन एंगल ऑफ प्रिज्म दिया नहीं हुआ, सो वी विल गो विद ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. Moving on to our next question, the dispersion of white light into its constituent color is due to the fact that, dispersion का reason क्या है? The light travels at different speed in different medium. It means that different white light is in air travels with the speed of light that is same for all the 7 color. But when the 7 components enter into a medium, that each color will see some different value of refractive index for that same medium, and the speed of colors will be different, due to which one will go ahead, second will there will occur some deviation in their path. So the answer of 16th question is light travels at different speed in different medium. Our 17th question is the primary color of light are red, येलो एंड ब्लू, लाल पीला नीला. Secondary colors of light are. Living on to this question, these are not related, these are for art students. So moving to next question, the phenomena of apparent change in the frequency or pitch of a sound or a source or observer move is called Doppler effect. Here it is completely explained that a vehicle blowing with horn is coming towards us and we observe a change in the pitch, and when the vehicle move on very far, then a change in frequency is observed, that is called as Doppler's effect. Moving on to our next question, the ability of the lens to converge or diverge light rays due to its lens की ability to converge or diverge light rays is due to its not due to refractive index but due to curvature. जितना ability of the lens to converge or diverge light rays. So leave this question here. We will discuss this question in the next video. Moving on to next question. A lens that is thicker at the center and thinner at the edge is called. We all know the answer of this question. Thick at the center and thin at the edge will be our convex lens. Our next question, the lens that is thinner at the center, रिवर्स कर देंगे, ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास concave lens. The point at which light rays converge or appears to diverge after passing through a lens is called the focal point. That is our focus. So answer will be option number A. Next question, it is asked that the distance between optical center of the lens and its focal point is called focal length. ऑप्टिकल सेंटर फोकस के बीच का डिस्टेंस होगा हमारे पास फोकल लेंथ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द टाइप ऑफ लेंस दैट कैन फॉर्म बोथ रियल एंड वर्चुअल इमेज इज आर कन्वेक्स लेंस. Our next question, the type of lens that can only form virtual and erect image is our convex lens. That form only virtual and erect image will be our concave lens. So moving on to next question, lens formula. Lens formula कहता है हमें 1/f is equal to 1/v minus 1/u, और मिरर फॉर्मूले में होता है 1/f is equal to 1/u plus 1/v. So here the answer will be option number A. Our next question, a concave lens always form an image that is always, ये अभी क्वेश्चन ऊपर आया था, virtual and erect, ऑप्शन नंबर डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में पूछा है पावर ऑफ ए लेंस इज मेजर्ड इन पावर. नॉर्मली पावर की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो डेली लाइफ में जो पावर की बात होती है वो होती है वाट में. यहाँ लेंस की पावर होती है हमारे पास डायोप्टर में, DIOPTER. And next question is reciprocal of focal length. Power is defined as reciprocal of its focal length. So answer will be option number A. Next question में phenomena of formation of rainbow in the sky is the phenomena of formation of a rainbow in the sky is a combination of reflection and refraction. ना तो यहाँ पोलराइजेशन हुई है, ना यहाँ स्कैटरिंग हुई, ना यहाँ डिस्पर्जन हुआ, ना यहाँ एब्जॉर्प्शन इंटरफेरेंस नहीं हुआ. बट रिफ्लेक्शन, रिफ्रैक्शन एंड डिस्पर्जन हुआ है, सो ऑप्शन ए हमारा करेक्ट हो जाएगा। और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन मीडियम इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द refractive index. So next question is 33. Critical angle is the angle of incidence that will produce total internal reflection. Optical fiber use the principle of TIR, total internal reflection, that is option number A. Our next question, the converging lens can form a real and inverted image when the object is converging lens can form real and inverted image in all the above three cases. Converging lens will form real and inverted image, but if it is asked that about erect and virtual, then we will go with option number D. Here in this question answer, there is some problem in the question, so leave this. Our next question is, a diverging lens can only form virtual and erect image. Yes, true. Diverging lens is concave lens that always form virtual and erect image. The next question is, the phenomena of mirage is caused by refraction of light through a medium with varying density. Option number B. Our next question is, the change in direction of light as it passes from rarer to denser medium, that is our refraction. Next, the change in direction of light as it passes from denser to rarer. लाइट चाहे डेंसर से रेयर जाए या रेयर से डेंसर, हमेशा वहाँ रिफ्रैक्शन होगी. इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन